All right, now we're going to complete the square when a does not equal 1. So here's my quadratic, 3x squared plus 2x minus 5. Started out the exact same way. So you're going to take that minus 5, you're going to bring it over to the other side. Now when you bring that over to the other side, you should bet it equal to 5. Keep that little gap in between there. When a doesn't equal 1, you got to divide everything by whatever that a value is. So it's 3, divide everything by 3. Everything, every part of this equation. So now you get x squared plus 2 over 3x. Leave that little space, is equal to 5 over 3. Now what we need to do is figure out our new c value. Remember, you're going to take 2/3 and you're going to cut that in half. Now instead of dividing it by 2, which is a complex fraction, you multiply it by 1/2. So 2/3 times a half being squared. Remember, 2/3 times a half, that's a third. So you're taking a third and squaring it. That's a ninth. All right, so you're going to add 1/9 to both sides. Balance the equation. So this left-hand side, x squared plus 2 over 3x plus 1/9 is equal to, you got to take 5/3 and add a ninth to it. You got to get a common denominator. That will get you 16/9. All right, the left-hand side, the x squared plus 2 over 3x plus 1/9, that factors as x plus 1/3 squared. Still equal to 16 over 9. So we factored it. It's in square root method. That's what we're trying to do. The reason we complete the square is so we can get it into square root method. So I'm going to go over here on the right-hand side. I'm going to go ahead and write out my x plus 1/3 squared is equal to 16 over 9. I'm going to square root both sides. So you end up getting x plus 1/3 is equal to 4 over 3, plus or minus the 4 over 3. All right, you just take the square root of the 16, take the square root of the 9. So you end up getting this as your equation. So x plus 1/3 is equal to plus or minus 4 over 3. Subtract a third to both sides. Now, the nice thing about this is that when you go ahead and look at this equation, you can combine those fractions. Those are numbers that you can combine. So take a negative 1/3, add 4/3. When you take a negative 1/3 and add 4/3, you get 1. Take a negative 1/3, subtract 4/3. You end up getting negative 5/3. So there's your two solutions, 1 and negative 5/3.